These beautiful pear tarts are absolutely exquisite and a great way to use up all these pears from the tree. I'm going to start by adding some almond flavoured frangipan to some short crust pastry bases which I made. I just want a nice little layer so that when you bite in, you get a good hint of that vanilla and the almond essence and a nice pillowy soft bed for these pears. I'm now going to take some of these beautiful pears which I've just simply fanned like that, and I'm going to lay them on top of the frangipan and press them down into that bed of frangipan. I'm going to pop these in the oven now at about 180 so that the pears become lightly soft and that filling cooks so that as it cools down afterwards it'll set beautifully.